Hello everyone. In this video, I want to discuss what are the blocks we have in motions. So, each and every command I'll be explaining in this video. For that, I'm using MIT Scratch software. Go for MIT Scratch. Yeah. So, this is the MIT Scratch dashboard. In that, we are having different blocks in the motions. Move 10 steps, turn, go to. So, I'll be using each and every block to make you understand clearly. So already I've selected one sprite. For that, I'm using move 10 steps. So just select that. So when it should move, something like when I start, it's a green flag condition. For that, go for and select the green flag. So for that, I'm giving like when I click the green flag, my sprite should go forward. So that is the first step of move. To move backward, you can use move -10. And to change the direction in the clockwise or in anti-clockwise. For clockwise, select the second block, turn. Like if you want to turn it for 30 degrees, you can label it as 30 degrees and click the green flag. Now it's already turned with the clockwise for 30 degrees. Now I'm using anti-clockwise to commit for back direction. So go for turn and make it as 30. And I'm clicking the green flag. Now it became straight. So I use the block of clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. You can give for how much degree if you want to change your sprite. And if you want to make your sprite to move with random locations, go and select random location. Or suppose if you have attached any pointers or if any other sprites, you'll be getting all that options. Or if you want to use a mouse pointer. But first I'll show you what is a random position. I'm clicking the green flag, it's going somewhere. No direction it's going. Suppose if I select as mouse pointer, clicking the green flag and see where is the mouse pointer, it would be coming to that side. So this is like for using the mouse pointer. Now if I want to change the location of the cat from this location to some other location, so select the block of go to XY. You can select the coordinates like in which degree or this is the position where the cat is. Now if I want to change it here, just drag the cat where you want to make it to place. So after that select the block of go to XY. Or instead of that, after suppose if you want to change, move it to be somewhere there and give the coordinate system with x with 1 and with y will be like whatever you can see here with the y coordinates x and y. So I'm clicking the green flag, it's coming to the coordinate which I had given. Now I want to write it. Instead of that, I'll be using 65 and minus 42. I'm using the same one. It's changing. So you can write the text also by using this x and y. You can label it. It's very easy. Now gliding motion. You want the cat to move smoothly, like from one position to other position. Use the block of gliding motion. To random position or like using a mouse pointer which you want to select, based on that you can select that one. So I'm using go for random position. Click the green flag and it's going to the random position for 1 second. Suppose if I want to make it to increase for more time, so suppose I'm giving it for 2 seconds. Now it is going for 2 seconds. You can change the seconds like how many seconds you are required. Now point in direction. In which direction you want to make your cat to move. Select the block of point in direction and make it to move. Now it's 90. Now suppose if I want to make it to 180. So I'm making it. So 180, the cat face is turning. So if you want to change along with the x-axis, select change x by 10. Yeah, you can change it. You can observe like whenever I'm clicking the green flag, it's changing with the x coordinate. Same way you can set x, like what is the location you want to change only for the x-axis. For y, if you want to change with the y, change with y by 10. Select the green flag and you can observe that how it's moving. Or if you want to make it to bounce. If green flag is clicked, if on edge, it should bounce. Means when it, suppose if it is on edge, it's going to be bounced like that. So it's changed its shape. So these are the various commands which we are having in the motions block. Thank you.